sobie żałci czuję.
Hey Muhammad, hope everything's going well. Just want to say good luck on your fight. You're well prepared. You're ready. You're strong. You're fast.
Muhammad, your thing, man. Good luck. You had a good training camp. You're ready, right?
Muhammad, good luck in your fight. You're 100% ready and kick gas.
Stop.